Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Gingirikani with me Mandla Gingirikani wakamashavan kizosno komi journey haleno. Guys, how was your weekend? Whew. Mine was hectic. Kala ambi no sote. Yo, guys, my weekend was hectic. I don't know about yours. It was a good weekend. It was a very good weekend, but it was just hectic. That's why I'm a little tired. Even my energy is low. I just took my gungari na energy. I'm not ile ansnyana na energy kale. Ande kale sungwan so tala marai no karala guys. Yo nkarele. It looks like Gaza actually rest ane. Gaza ku hava weekend ya mahala so. Ha. Phela ekhaya kind that up and down man was going no. Gaza's busy. Loko kunga trendy topic, loko kunga ku busy, kunga gig after gig after guys no. This is too much. I don't know about you, kunguna missed one and Jan Marangara say I ngova guys no. Anyway, yeah, mid playing Janu can delay night pinile like on a Maragar weekend sungule on a bad note. Bongan lo gruken mitamin mi ngisela kahle ti video ta mina kuva kutala ku lo ni kan recordera kuna ntswana en'wani u tela ku mkarotala very in Nolly vitro yon. So Nolly, I came back here on Friday afternoon. Then I was told Nolly is no longer with us. The good thing Nolly is not dead. Nolly just relocated to another place. I just felt so horrible, you know. After forming a nice bond with Nolly, you know, she will always come whenever and be around. And Nolly was a good dog. Honestly speaking, mina animu watinzwana. Nantseba kuna ngwina amvan watinzwana. Van bontala bantima avatalangu kubaranda tinzwana. Ngumgofu tinzwana leta to handela so onta sele makaya. And well, so on the lesson so tell nan to tell the means na siku. No like tin jana that talk mak to fuyu mintin ko is a greyhound, is a police dog, I don't know what they call them, is a bulldog or is a what call it the pit bulls, those kind of dogs. Why my vitira tin jana matiba ya tin jana to tanya. Anistu ku nola ku breed in mara. Nolly was a very good dog, guys. She was a very good dog to us. So I just felt sad and feel sorry. Anyway, then my weekend brightened up. Loko wakukuna Xongi a simple kitchen. Yeah, I saw her perform a Akara launch. It was nice, so I just wanted to see her perform her official launch, nearly official because she's already sang songs. She performed in different places. So it was Malaysia a simple kitchen, guys. Actually, let me be honest. Let me be honest with you. But simple kitchen, but usually kutala 7 around that time. Kutala 7, 8, 9. So in a short space of time, by the way. Karunga lokunga ngahlekete kahle ngazuku bala vochichwa ebhazi kusu. Kumona vangena xikan'we so voma 7:30 voma 8 somewhere there kuva ku ri ngari kuna a huge kuna hansa kuna mphensa that area loko kuze kubama 8 na ma 8:30 na ma 8 so kutala ku vanhu va tsutsumela la so loko ku ri simple kitchen voma 4, 5, 6 that ngara akuna vanhu mara you'll be shocked ku loko vuya voma 9 ku yo ku tele it was full. Yeah, you can't compare Xongi, crowd Xongi na crowd bin Mangani, you know, because those guys, you know, they have their own stuff. So, you know, bin Mangani is another animal on its own. And so, but Xongi did well. I mean, to pull that crowd, it was a lot, man. Look, nanguta the crowd letting at some na simple kitchen. I think, yeah, qualify kuba ka top 3. Yeah, the crowd letting at some the artist. Bin Mangani would be the number 1 there, of course. Mara crowd letting I la kalit ngat experience ane. Minu vla lesson ngaswon. Yeah, Xongi crowd the Xonga itele abana batele, they were full. I mean, you can see Kurwana batele. I'm not trying to, So it was nice. Just that we couldn't hear when she was singing. That's the only setback. She didn't get to perform most of her songs. She only performed 2 songs actually. I forgot the name of the other song. I forgot the other song. Every perform one moon and then look perform moon. Balava repeat one. Well, I didn't have because no one like Carolina, not Labula, repeat, repeat, And the vast classroom left with a simple kitchen. So it looks like Gingirikani in our secretary by which is quite weird, eh? The Burika video lega like Ngari income letting one Tiluku Tiluku busy for studio. How are they going to unseat Gingirikani for what she's done? How are they gonna counteract that? I was alone as well. So people are like, yo, probably not panicking, but maybe they come to want because guys, no. Let's be honest. Other than that, but Dahen. We went to Dahen thinking with I want to Gingirikani if I've got announced no, unfortunately she's not coming. There was an emergency and whatever, she didn't come through. Yeah, so we didn't get to see Xongi and Dahen. But we went there and chilled. It was nice to be that I feel like Ntaba regular la Pitori guys, yo. Pitori guys, yo. Hey, Ntaba regular Pitori mina to vibe yelinda in taxi. And also na vibe kwaku near Pitori nje, it's just something. It's nice. I feel like Ntaba regular nyana la Pitori alawana. Hey, kukahle ngomndawulia guys. Nobnu kamatila nchele shkwa baba ani anofika so leswi matna shkwa. So that's the weekend in a rap. Oh no, I'm lying. Kuskanda ini tutume kankobani ko 11 ko hami bita kuma bana. Kuma kuna bana kankobani. Wow, kankobani says when going. Me bagurishira akur magashira because anda ina akurna those overhead heaters. I don't know kuba shoot na in. Yeah, titar leta ta khas le to. Yeah, akur kahle ngob man. Aku tsameka, you know what I mean? It's a nice venue, it's a nice place. Tutumela kankobani kuma akuna bana. And mina I talanga nisho endela swaku nisumana na alawan ni andawo ni ngitsama kona bina tani kai. That's what I do. Mara this weekend aku busy go itutuma ini kawadi kuma kuna bana kankobani. Kuroma past 11 klamala hey kumili abarkona mara lesini tibisa kusona kankobani ko but anyway we can there ka tani stuk mina mtipine yini. Oh, before Neta. So, you remember the previous weekend in the Simple Kitchen, the Cara Lounge, and the 2 places, and the supposedly sort of competition that is there between the organizers actually National Tembisa. So I addressed that issue here. Look at me, video I just want to applaud Maseda Nkuzane. Nitini upload na Gagash again because this past weekend I met both of them. Mina was so crazy. Lodifika Simple Kitchen, I saw Maseda and I ran into him. No guy, that was so cool. She go, when I was Mina, she thought she's cute. she's cute. Yo, the guy, she's cute. She go, lecture. I'm doing a business, I'm doing a business, so I cannot close my business just because it's an event. That event, I'm doing a business, and of which I understand. I mean, if you run a paza, just because kama kolani say kufurua kefi, we fani say falash paza shawen, au fali, ya mafrenship sa shinko. So yeah, I think you had the point. I can't close my shop just because there's another one who's doing an event, but but I can go and support, obviously. Lokubana something I can go and support and whatever. That's what he said to me. And I felt like he was more matured about it because I spoke at length about the two guys. And then I felt like, sometimes lokulala abantu baso stala ku attack, kumeshani and I just felt like both of them, they really gave me my respect, and I give them their respect as well. They've earned a respect from me. Maseda, you've earned a respect from me, and also Gagash, you've earned a huge respect for me because this past weekend at Pitori, you were like embracing me, man. I like that, and I thank you for that because so I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I regret, and with the unforeseen utterances, so we are living in like I'm career kusuwa so such chavisa karongon kulabla vanhu and kuma but take a different perspective. And I felt like my video was well received by both of them. I mean, Maseda said whatever he said, and he, even though he told me on my face, your video was a little skewed. I don't know, probably maybe I'm not trying to justify myself. Look, what's also in Germany, Christmas Eve. Mina near Germany. If we work at South Africa at Johannesburg, kuna the same kind of events, ne. If mina near Germany, vaku mara ka report ya wen. If ane ulawula leswi nga humela Germany, la meni nga kona, na leswi nga humela Johannesburg. Hikuva ka n'wina, ni nga tshama nkarhi wo leha ka topic yini ya le Germany kumbe ya le Johannesburg now. According to me, swi obvious ku nta tshama ngopfu ka nkarhi wo leha ka topic ya le Germany ku hila a ni ri kona, so ni ta vulavula ngopfu hi leswi ni nga swi vona than leswi ni nga swi twa kumbe hi ku ya hi ti-pictures kumbe ti-videos because I was not there. So usually maybe my video was more towards the Pretoria side because I was in Pretoria. I don't know. And if it was like that, I would like to be like Mr. Post and apologize. But it was not my intention to be, what do you call it, subjective. I always try to be objective in all at all accounts. And sometimes I'm driven by my own favoritism or own emotions. So Mara, anyway, even in show album launch show as a simple kitchen, na sound I got twali, and I felt like she was struggling. A performance like speaker show, yes. So I don't know, because I mean, it would have been nice to hear Shunga on stage and all, whatever she had planned, and also Nolly apologize and all those things. So it was a busy weekend, but with a little bit of disappointment. So yeah, I just wanted to say thanks to Maseda for understanding me, and also take a video we have to sort of talk about these things, without laying blame on anybody, but he look ringiten kaku itisa kubula vula kuta kumjeka injection yo hambana. So I just felt like because you approached me and you spoke to me, you told me how you felt about my video. I really appreciate that. And also Gagash, you also showed appreciation for my video. And then yeah, I didn't have a lot to say. She just said, I'm thirsty to Gagash pig. Okay, anyway, I will make us on. I'll like someone before Famba, guys. Oh, by the way, DJ Brian. Oh, let me talk about DJ Brian. Oh, how can I miss that? So, A Simple Kitchen. You remember Kuna DJ Brian Conizer? I say Conizer, and then Shogaragan was launching, right? So DJ Brian was there he was doing his set. But before he went to do his set, yeah, could DJ. I think he did just such guys and that mix the Tsonga. I think he also asked them come alone and sometimes You know, though I'm not a fan of his set dash Tsonga, the way he mix, I'm not a big fan. DJ Bride Cherry tak beef. So DJ Bride greets me. So kasi we are in Dubai Gingirikani. So no anga in Dubai mangato ang jog ne Dubai DJ Bride. So DJ Bride shuko talk very Dubai nugo nanda in Dubai shuko enda lesfonga was dag. You know guys kumela in Dubai ne. Kuna video leto ngatsamati trend talk ta vanhu lava va nga ku deni ka atsakisi man. Ni nga swi vitana njhani? Swa vuriwa hi Xitsonga. Okay, let me say it. Kuna vanhu lava vo saseka lava phozaka ti-Instagram va sasekini ka ti-Instagram ne vo tala va na mali and mali ya vona vo tala va yi kuma hi ku ya hi leswi swi nga humelela. Very mali ya vo tala vanhu lava ha hinkwavo of course vo tala va vona va ya Dubai kuma va teka ti-picture Dubai kasi va fika leni va fika va endliwa ti-sex toys. Nkarhi wun'wani va endliwa leswiya swa very what mi ni rivele leswaku kona mara ku dyiwa na mahuma swilo swo taniya. Did I say that guys? Yo, yeah, va dya thyaka man. So DJ Branch vuyi endla leswiya swin'wana va swi endlaka la Dubai. I think Mohale ni vone Mohale a ye Dubai, so a ni swi tivi ku a va endla va ya swa business na kambe Mohale chomi ya wise menzita ne, yeah. So anuku hey mina ni yang Dubai mina anzangi na Dubai, I'm around here. Dukunta beef away na ka YouTube. No tlanga DJ Brian records. So you know, talk about DJ Brian. It's very interesting because loko na kula mina. You know one kule hi radio man. Ay kulangi ti YouTube kufana vanhu van'wana sweswo kula ku ti Facebook na ti YouTube na ti TikTok, you know. Hini kule radio. So is one of the people that vangani influence ngopfu ku vanhu rhandza ngopfu radio. Mara ani vulavuli DJ Brand wa sweswi. DJ Brand wa khale, DJ Brand record DJ Brand khale a radio yin'wana man. I remember ku na DJ Brian ka radio ya Xitsonga ku ri na Ike Ngobeni, Iker ava ku Iker ne. Yeah, ava ku mutsetse rap na DJ Brian record. You know radio tsakisa khale guys. Ku tlhe ku va ku ri na mani mara mina munhu loyi ni nga tshama ni vulavula hi la I kokwani man very man not dlayisa ta Ebibaloyi man a ku ri liya very man Roy wa cakica tate. That's what I used to say hikuva ni hatleni hikuva ni yingisele Roy a ni tsakisa ngopfu Roy Ngobeni khale n'wi pfuxeta ku tala a yi tsakisa ngopfu kokwani liyani Roy loko yi nghena eka radio a swi twa kha ku loko mahashelo ya yona ma tsakisa ngopfu ma ri legendary. So yona a ni rhandza swinene Roy mara then loko ku ve na ti-generations tin'wana ti nga nghena va Seskoni hayi Conizer. I like Seskoni. Conizer, I'm not a fan of Conizer. Mina ni rhandza ngopfu Seskoni. Matsundzuko loko ku na Seskoni kuma Seskoni a hamba ya xa afternoon drive show ku ri yona yi kha yi fambisa nongonoko lwani ivi ku nghenelela Joe Jealous va ri man Joas Machines xi kha bus sport laya a ku nandziha ngopfu. Interaction leyi a yi humela between Seskoni na Joas Machines before Joas Machines a hla ti-sports ta yena ta mitlangu so vo 5:30, 4:30, 3:00 tlhava ta mitlangu a swi nandziha man. It was nice man. And then ku va na Morgan Shivambu my baby ku ri ka tambiliyanga guys. Radio khale nandziha man. What happened to radio guys? Who else? Ku nghena va magayisa kha swi ku matlhelo ndzhaku mahlweni hi vo ma 3 AM kha ku ri na magayisa la vanhu va yingisela radio zerish mhaka magayisa leswi a xi endlaka radio xi a yi famba na mani ka magayisa ni rivela xi famba na mani a yi famba na Ike Ngobeni a ni rivele mani ku ri show leya ya ku yi sungula hi ma 12 ya hetelela hi vo ma 3 kumbexana hi vo ma 6 nampundzu ni rivele mara magayisa Koma Fanol Magayisa swo hlama mahungu ne Fanol Magayisa is actually nto ngari Fanol Magayisa is a lost talent ka radio broadcasting ya Xitsonga for obvious reasons. I understand why he did what he did. Me you know, as someone la anga atrela ka swa ti media na swisisa mara it's a lost man kuva Fanol Magayisa nga ri ka radio. It's a big loss. and then ku va ku ri na mahungu ya ku hlaya mani mahungu mi hleriwa hi no a ku hlaya mani handle ka dlayisela abiba loyi a ku ri na mani before ku na leta ta vutomi ku ri triple M hambi ku gaxi radio yi nandziha mani na nongonoko leya ya tidyondzo yi tsakisa mani a ku na nongonoko n'wana this was my favorite show a ku ri nongonoko n'wana a wu fambisa hi Sespinki I even remember her name Sespinki va khome nongonoko luwa wa ta ririmi ka Xitsonga guys radio leyi yi nandziha ngopfu mani a yi nandziha radio guys ma yi tsundzuka radio leya khale mara are you feeling what I'm feeling guys radio yi nandziha mani ivo mani a ni nga va siya a ni tivi n'wana sport program no a ni vula sport bulletin like munhu a hlaya mahungu ya sport like between 30 minutes hourly or half an hourly 30 minutes yin'wana na yin'wana xilungu ya karhata a ku ri Gagash Maseda a ku producer veri mani kambe boti liya ni rivele mani boti liya boti liya yi ni rhandza ngopfu liya veri mani i boti mani kambe liya a ni rivele a ni rivele nyuku ta ni byela rasi nyuko mi ni byela ku mani boti liya a yi producer ni munhu lowa ta mitlangu ivi ku va ku na big jam how can you speak about sport in South Africa and not mention James Xikwambani guys xi ta ku before xi ku haxela ntlangu ne maybe xi ku nyika a perspective let's say it's the African Cup of Nations ne kuma ku xi le Ghana for example a xi ta ku byela hi history matimu ya tiko leriyani before the match leswaku a wu tekiwa hi mahlo ya minghondo ivi ku wa rivaleni ra mitlangu guys a swi nandziha swilo leswiya mani reporter leri a ri nandziha ngopfu mani kuma ku na collaboration ya big jam na Sai Ngobeni Sai kumbexani ku ri na Mabasa you know xi ku hi liya no that was Eric Mabasa man like hi liya loko bolo yi kha yi famba yi ze ya huma le handle hi liya a swi nandziha ku swilo leswiya ivi ku khuzela Sai kumbe ku khuzela Malaji yes Malaji a yi nandziha ngopfu bolo guys bolo leswaku a swi nga bohi i va na TV a wu ta yingisela bolo hi mahlo ya ngonto swi nandziha swilo leswiya guys who else lava ni ma hleketaku ka ha ri na loyi nga ta ku vanhu lava ni nga va hlaya laha va influence ku ri va ni rhandza ngopfu swilo swa timedia swinene you know so loko ni vona DJ Brian this weekend swi ni hleketise ndzhaku mani hleketa ndzhaku mani khale ka DJ Brian mani a xi nandzihisa ngopfu swilo leswiyani ivi a ku na nongonoko n'wawuntshwa wu nandziha ngopfu a va ku i ta machudeni I think that's when the first time ni nga yingisela DJ Brian kona DJ Brian a xi reporter from TNG Technical Northern Gauteng I think this is TUT now and then ku ri na Russell Nkwinika a xi reporter from Avenda a University of Venda guys a ku nandziha ngopfu man a ku nandziha no am I right I think I'm wrong because a ku ri na Pat Met very Pat Mathebula masiku lama mina hi va tiva hi ra Pat Met a ku ri tichara Mathebula va dyondza la ka Thomo la kambe le kwini la ka Thomo ka Thomo exikolweni xa la ka Thomo la Pat Met Pat Mathebula yo a ku nandziha man radio leyi nandziha man ni machudeni a ku nandziha ngopfu man what else can I say guys so in summary that's what happened so I saw DJ Brian loko heta ku tlanga swilo swa yena a nghena tsutsuma moveni i va ku punches ivi loko na mina na ku 1 2 3 ni swi vona ku na mina vona ku punches ni huma hi la ni lahla sayiti so leswi weekend a mina nga va xiswona guys a ni swi tivi ku n'we ri njhani mi ta byela laha hansi mi commenta ku mi swi vona njhani eka switos ku tshonekile nyora am sasini totora salu mi nga titimeli don't be cold